how to speak at English. I don't know how much times I searched it on YouTube. When you search, you can speak, just follow this method and you will become a master of English in a month. So I challenge myself to improve my English fluency just 90 days. Today is my day 1 of English fluency challenge. There are 3 levels, month 1, month 2 and month 3. In a month 4 weeks. So first week I will start speaking without fear to get myself more confident. And of course, you are a person who always says, I cannot speak English, I don't know grammar, English not for me. So you can start this series with me. How I can learn English. It means which methods do I follow? Actually, I follow many different methods. It's like studying practice, mirror talking, what I learned before. Learn from mistakes, 15 new words daily, speaking and also writing. If you want to practice English with a positive mindset and confidence, so you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share. First, I use 15 new daily words since it's my first day, so I will practice those words which I know. It's like mother, near, answer, swim, etc. As I am a Bengali girl, so I converted English from Bengali. I always love my mother. Actually, I think it's better for me that I make a sentence from those new words. Open the door. Which type of sentence? It's a imperative sentence. How to use this type sentence? When you command or request anybody. Shout, I am short girl. It's a affirmative sentence. Help. Can you help me? It's a interrogative sentence. When you ask any person for a question or request. Long. I like to go long drive. Empty. The bottle is empty. Near. The cafe is near of my house. Answer. Please answer me. Swim. I cannot swim. Sleep. Good night. Sleep well. Happy. I am very happy to see you. Learn. I want to learn English. Focus. I just focus on my future. Phone. I use phone daily. And obviously, you are also learning English and want to practice along with me. Make sure you stay connected and watch my videos. You will be happy to know that I am just using the phone, not any paid course or teacher. If you are interested to know how I practice studying, so don't forget to check my next video.